Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Shivanti. Today it's gonna be another Flipkart haul. These stuff that I'm gonna be showing you guys in this video and all the stuff that I showed you guys in my previous Flipkart haul video, those are necklaces, by the way, in case if you didn't check that out, please do check it out. So all this stuff I bought it at the same time. I don't know anyone would be interested to know this, but still we need to talk because day by day the duration of my videos are reducing. So tell me, how are you? You're fine only. Don't think too much. Chuma for formality I asked. Now we'll get into the video. Today's video I'm gonna show you guys some kurta sets and kurtas that would be appropriate to be worn to weddings, events or parties or basically wherever you wish, okay? Who will ask? You can even wear it with full get-up necklaces, color bindi, 1.5 kgs kajal, 2 kgs powder, everything, and sit in your living room also. Who will ask? First of all, who will do all this, Sivandi? 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock, go sit with your mom or your next house auntie and see what she's watching. I seriously don't know for why these people do that. If I wear an anarkali or a sari with full face of makeup on and sit in my living room casually watching TV or go to the kitchen in the same costume, already outside the sun will be burning and inside instead of cooking you have to sit straight in the stove only. That's how it will be. And on top of that, if my dad says, that's it. Matter over. He'll call all my relatives and inform that day itself I told you no, something is wrong with her. As I said, I got all this from Flipkart. Flipkart has wide selection of products which actually goes through 6 quality checks by Flipkart. They said that latest selections are refreshed every week. You can also shop in vernacular language, have easy return, refund and exchange policies as well. Very important, Flipkart has this sale going on where they have up to 60%, not up to, minimum 60% off on all ethnic wear. It has 10 lakh plus styles starting from rupees just 199 and that's the reason why they call it India's fashion capital. The first outfit that I picked was this one that I'm currently wearing. I just love the color. This is not a kurta set or something. This is actually an anarkali gown. This comes with a dupatta. It doesn't have pants. It doesn't come with pants. I'm not really comfortable wearing a dupatta while sitting down and that's the reason why I wasn't wearing. And one more thing, I also like the quality of this product, and when I say quality, please do not expect like 1,000 rupees worth quality of product to be delivered to you when you pay 500 rupees. Now I'm just coming to say, like, personally I feel I paid 500 something and I feel that it is worth that money that I paid. If I wanted to go a little extra and buy something like an anarkali, I always gravitate towards brighter colors like reds and blues and yellows, stuff like that. But I don't know why this color is so good. I never thought that I would fall in love with the color actually, but it is so pretty, especially this gold detailing, this gold detailing in this color. I've been repeatedly talking about the color because I am really liking it too. And also I love full sleeves, but the only reason I do not go for full sleeves is because most of the dresses, it'll be tight till this part, and when it reaches this part it will be like buff. This actually has a hook here, so it won't go buff. One more thing, this dress doesn't come with a lining inside, it's just a cloth, okay? Actually they have up to 80% off on all ethnic wear. And then I got this one. This actually comes with 2 strings on each side of your hips so that you could tie it and make it seem like it fits really well. So this is in the size XS, and all the stuff that I'll be showing in today's video will be in XS, including the piece that I'm wearing because that is my size. So yeah, this actually came with pants, palazzo pants. So this is how the pants look. It has this gold detailing in the bottom. And then I got this. This is actually one of my most favorite pieces. It has this front slit like thing. At first I thought this would be in cotton, but it is not, and I have this very bad habit. I do not check what material it is in the website, so I just order it. Okay, so that's how I got it. I am really satisfied with the look and feel and everything, but the only thing is that I thought that it would be in cotton, but it is not. So make sure to check the material of the pieces in case if you want to buy it. And yeah, this is how it looks. It actually has a front slit. Did I say about that? Or no? It also has buttons. I actually wanted to buy a plain black kurta for a very long time, but I wasn't able to find one. It should be plain, like without any pattern, design, buttons, piping, lining, nothing. It should be just a plain black kurta, and finally I found one on Flipkart. The specialty of owning a plain black or white kurta is that you can just amp it up by adding accessories to it, or you can just tone it down, make it look a little subtle. You can just play with the piece, and that is the reason why everyone should own one good plain white and a black kurta. This is why people say when in doubt, wear black. Then I got this red duck helicopter. How many of you have seen this reel? This is what's been running in my head from the morning. Helicopter. So yeah, I got this one. This is actually a full set. It actually comes with the top. It also comes with a sharara pant. No, this is the dupatta. The sharara pant is there somewhere, so I'll put the clippings here or here. So yeah, it comes as a kit. I love red color, so you give whatever in red, I just love it. There's actually one more piece I was about to say. That's it, guys. So yeah, this is one more top that I picked up. Very simple top. The main reason for why I picked this up is because of the sleeves. I really love the sleeves in there. Nowadays I'm seeing a lot of tops coming with these kind of sleeves, and I have no clue how it would look on me. So I actually wanted to try something a bit inexpensive in the same pattern and see how it looks on me, and then go for some expensive stuff. Also, it had a different neckline. Very silly, but these are the reasons for why I actually picked this top up. I just wanted to see how these things look on me. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging on till the end. In case if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and comment down your thoughts. That's it. Ta-ta.